Hello everyone, and welcome back to Skiskin. We have some monumental news for those aspiring to make Canada their permanent home. Canada's new TR2 PR pathway has officially launched, marking a pivotal moment for temporary residents across the country. This isn't just another program. It's a powerful new route designed to transition essential workers and international graduates from temporary to permanent status, recognizing their invaluable contributions to Canadian society. This pathway is a game changer, offering clarity and hope to thousands. It streamlines the process, making permanent residency more accessible than ever before. For those who have already built their lives and careers in Canada, we're talking about a direct and efficient route to securing your future in this incredible nation. The new TR2 PR pathway focuses on several key streams, including healthcare workers, other essential workers, and international graduates. Each stream has specific criteria, but the overarching goal is clear: to retain talent and integrate those who are already contributing to Canada's vibrant economy and diverse communities. This is a powerful update, reflecting Canada's commitment to welcoming and supporting newcomers. It's an opportunity to solidify your place, access comprehensive social services, and enjoy all the benefits of permanent residency. If you are a temporary resident in Canada and believe you might be eligible for this groundbreaking pathway, now is the time to act. Understanding the specific requirements and navigating the application process can be complex, but expert guidance can make all the difference. For personalized assistance and to ensure your application is strong and successful, do not hesitate to reach out to us at skbizcon@gmail.com. Our team is ready to provide you with the support and expertise you need to seize this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out on this chance to secure your permanent future in Canada. Like this video, subscribe to Skiskin for all the latest immigration updates, and contact us today.